Hi, Jenny here. With football playoffs right around the corner, I thought today we would make a nice, quick, easy snack. So we are going to make some mozzarella dip. You can eat that with either some chips or some vegetables. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 cups of mayonnaise, 1 cup or 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of garlic salt and a dash of seasoned salt. And then your favorite tortilla chips to serve it with and or vegetables. We have this cool little football in our background today. We're in Green Bay Packerland. Woo, cheesehead country. See, perfect for making cheese dip. Anyways, we won this football at one of our school raffles. So pretty neat, signed by the team. Anyways, we're going to cut up our 1/4 cup of onion and then pretty much just mix all of our ingredients in a bowl. Told you, fast and easy. So I learned this trick on watching the Food Network at one point, where after cutting your onion in half, you cut some diagonal stripes on it, and then you can cut it the other way, and then you have your chopped onion. Of course, today it's not gonna work nice like all the other videos I've done. So, hey, it's gonna go all over. I don't know about you guys, but I've found in this household that the floor likes to have its piece of whatever I'm making. Man, it doesn't seem to matter. Whatever it is, like now already some onion fell on the floor, because why not? When I'm making salads, oh yeah. Some part of lettuce will go on the floor, or carrots will go on the floor. When I have extra cut up onion, and I don't think I'm going to use it again right away, I'm just going to throw it in a baggie. And then usually I also put it into another baggie, because onions really smell a lot. So even through the baggie, it'll smell up your whole refrigerator, freezer. But anyways, I'll put them in a baggie, into another baggie, and I throw them in the freezer. So then whenever I'm ready to make another recipe, I can just grab my onion out of the freezer and it defrosts really fast and easy, and then it's good to go. And that way I don't throw out my onion, it doesn't get wasted. In my freezer bag because it's thicker, so it'll also hold the smell in. And just plop those in. Good for the freezer. We shall mix it all together now. So I'm just going to use the whole jar of mayonnaise. It's 15 ounces. It says called for 2 cups, so close enough. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going for it. Question is, will this fit? My next thing to get is a smaller spatula. Get into these jars and cans. We'll add our 8 ounces of sour cream. teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 cup onion, two tablespoons of our cheese, dash of salt, dash of the other salt, and half a package of my cheese, because that's 2 cups, so I need 1 cup. Why not? All right, the snack is all prepared. So even though we may not be having gatherings for watching football, it's still fun to have some snacky foods to eat. Do you guys watch football? Let me know in the comments below who you root for. For me, I'm gonna be saying, go Pack go, while I eat my snack. I should have prepared more. I should have been wearing my Green Bay Packer colors. Anyways, you guys, keep it positive and go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Delicious.